I'm Jeff Reed. I manage the Application Development Division for Logicalis. We're a global systems integrator with practices across the world. When our customer LOC Enterprises came to us and they told us about the application they were going to build, I immediately knew that this is an internet scale app. It's going to need new technologies, modern technologies, things that we talk about like NoSQL and big data and fast data. So we sat down with them and we talked to them about different options and showed them the vFabric stack in conjunction with all of the cloud capabilities that VMware provides through its traditional virtualization core products. One of the things about this application is it needs to have fast response time. It also needs to scale out. So there's seasonality to the application, so certain times of the year we need to scale up the app and then scale it down. And you can't do that with a relational database. So a product like GemFire gives them fast response time because it's in memory. It handles the partitioning and the replication, and we can do that across geos so that we build disaster recovery but in an active state. So GemFire helps them solve the velocity issue, right? Fast throughput on the transactions. But they're going to have a lot of volume of transactions coming over time, and they have to aggregate those transactions, those swipes of the card that are happening at the grocery store or at the gas station, and those millions of transactions coming through every day, just like click-throughs. They're going to aggregate that with other data. And so in the future, within a year, 2 years, they're going to have a big data problem, and they need a platform to solve that. VMware allows you to virtualize things like Hadoop, solve your big data problem, but then still be able to get all the benefits of virtualization. Another reason we chose GemFire, besides volume of data and velocity of data and the big data problem that comes with that, is variability of data. As requirements change quickly, schemas change quickly, and GemFire provides that schemaless design that NoSQL solutions have in the modern day. So TC Server plays an important role in the final solution. One, because it's a very lightweight container. Another important thing is EM4J combined with TC Server because we use a lot of Spring patterns. Spring MVC is part of the solution. And this entire solution is virtualized. So we use App Director to create templates. So as seasonality comes and goes, we can spin up app servers, web servers, and GemFire nodes. The last thing you want to do is over-allocate memory and then pay for it, but never use it. So EM4J allows them to over-provision on the VMs, share that memory on the physical side, right, and maximize that, but then not over-provision on the Java heap size and get, wasted memory sitting out there. It helps us be more competitive in our public cloud at Logicalis because we're more cost competitive, and that's all because of the solution that vFabric provides to us and then our customers. Anytime I'm in a conversation with customers and we're comparing feature sets between a WebLogic or an Oracle Fusion and a WebSphere and a TC Server, we know who's going to win on price. And then it's a question of, what are you really using it for? You throw in features like EM4J as well, and now you've got even better features at a lower price. Customers are going to start going in that direction, and that's where our customers are going.